Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix WSL register distribution failed with error in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Programs. Click Programs and Features. Click Turn Windows feature on or off. Check Windows subsystem for Linux. Click OK. Click Restart now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.